Alright. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Switch over. Hope you're all doing fine. Hope you guys are having a good Monday. Today is Monday the 16th. Good. Let's work this song, I would say.
My voorspelling.
And alright, there we go. So, 2 streams ago, we were putting the farm into the metaverse. So the first thing we're going to do is, let me lift up this music. I don't want to put it too loud for myself because a lot of concentration is needed. So what are we going to do? We'll activate this, which means that we need to add a new code in the database. What I cannot show you too much of because of security settings. But it's one additional thing we gotta do for the farm. Because we are going to make a small change here. We go to the seeds panel. We're going to make an adjustment over here. Press that one. Alright. So we're updating 2 prices here. we go. So we're doing a price update in the farm. It's adjusted in the text as well. So we're going for the lowest one will be 0.1 BNB. Second one will be 0.05. So new prices. Does that look correct on here? 0.01, 0.05. APY is not going to change. So we're exporting that. Actually, let's cancel that. Let's disable the menu as you constantly start up with the menu. You don't want that. Alright. And now we want to implement all this. So first let's change the color of all these planes. Let's add a new material. Farm ground into color. And I will just go for a glossy light color. Good. This empty town, we're searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. Check my phone is charged for the authenticator code. Also, I got a massive personal invite, what I cannot say a lot about. It's a pretty big game company offering a job. So, probably instead of accepting a job, we will go for skipping the ad. Instead of a job, I could probably arrange a partnership. This is amazing because sadly it looks like Gulia Games closed. As many of you know, the other company that I worked for worked on Horizon Zero Dawn at the time. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Computer freezes up. Always nice. How you doing, driver?
You just need the get data, get farm data code.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Alright, our farm update is ready.
How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Lots happening on the other side of the screen, sorry for that. Yeah, Kill Be Kill is getting updates. A lot of you already knew about it. Deployment successful. Alright. Alright. That's successful deployment. Good stuff. You could open shops of various brands in the metaverse. Tag them, share them in the metaverse. Put them on Twitter. Yeah, true. True. So funny, all these guys think they're playing Fortnite. But we should be good. We should be good. There we go. Yeah, it's set to Eve. Alright. That's an easy fix. That's an easy fix. 25. Did I create it here? Yeah, I created it here. So what about this? We are currently a limited space in the metaverse. I'm gonna show you something awesome. So, everyone that's watching, I'm gonna show you something awesome. Just so you know. I'll create more abilities to have more islands. We already have a massive system in place at the moment. .01 BNB. Prince. Charting .01. There you go. New price. Actually. Wait. I didn't add the plane in, right? I did. Yeah. We can keep the plane in, it's alright. It's not going to make any difference. Planes and work in progress. Good. So we're in talks with some other people. There are some more people ready to buy this coming weekend. So we should be ready for another run up over the weekend. Should I add the link? I'll add the link. Where's the weeds? There's a symbol of the weeds, but I can never manage to find it. Ah, because it's not weed. Okay. I'll tell you, it adds a lot. It adds a lot more life to the game. Besides the chicken's moving over. Yes, so let's hop on to the metaverse. That's an update we needed to do. I'll finish this in the background. Did I install the island generation system? I don't know. Okay. So let me go start a new scene. Pre-programmed, yes, alright. Now, go and search through my library. Must have it somewhere. Island generator, okay. There it is. Import. And this is a pretty amazing tool because this is what I want to implement for you guys to build islands. Just use these files, alright. You should be able to build in any cell you want. That's my goal. We're gonna need a terrain, which is not too big. This is actually massive terrain. Let's do half that. Walking from this to this side already takes a good amount of time, so we're going to add the island generation system on it. Island generator. Use random seed. Yeah, we're going for random seed, 50% fields. Sure. So what does this do? This will create your own world. This will create your own world for you. So there's shore mapping. Just need to smooth out the edges a little bit. Add shores. There we go. Perfect. So what can you do then? What can we do? We're going to add water. I can even make it go less steep. I think you have more islands left at that point. Recalculate shores. Add shores. There we go. Now it's not like going straight down in one go. Put the water at this level. And this will be more connected with what is good. So that's at a plane. It will represent water. That's big enough. So this will perfectly be your island, for example. What about adding hills? Few high bumps, few high bumps, few high bumps. There you go. That's nuts, right? It's not even going down. Okay, let's cut this out. So regenerate the map. Actually, you can keep generating. It's constantly creating a new map for you. So you have endless abilities. Let's go for 60% fill. What? Ah. Look at that, isn't it looking a lot better? Looks a lot better, in my opinion. Yes. This is one whole island like that. It's great. Generate. Wrong button. No one saw that. calculator. And there we go. There's a small pile of water over there. And there. You got your beaches over there. This is your build terrain. This is where you will be able to build cities yourself. There will be a calculator that will add the grass texture for you. So that will be fully taken care of. Which is pretty awesome. And then you can even add your own shops. You can do anything you want at that point. You can even charge people for getting on your island. Building islands is going to be a free event. So it will start as a free event. With more and more different game abilities. You'll be able to make different types of games. Let's say that you want to make an RPC. Sort of game like World of Warcraft or Entropia and stuff. You should be able to do so. So this portion can really easily be a part of Centuryverse, and it will, because every portion of game creation is part of the Centuryverse ecosystem. So let's create a quick button here. And let's make it 500 by 200. Nothing special. And then process island generator. Like Roblox, can we add any game we want in the metaverse? Yes, you'll be able. The goal with the metaverse is the same as Centuryverse. So with Centuryverse, what did I talk about? We start with small basic games that you can just simply modify and create. In the longer term, there will be a Lakeview Pacific program language that will be so easy for you, because if you look now, if we go to the Lakeview's character code, you have all this code. And many of you will understand, because this line is just meaning that you have to move forward. So it takes in your direction, it takes in your speed, and then the time sense of the server. But what you can do, what Lakeview's code will be like, is it's going to be like this. So it's kind of going to look like it's going to look like walk forward, and then your speed parameter. So this will be your speed, and that's it. Stuff like that. We're going to make it so simple, everyone should be able to code with Lakeview's coding language. So there will be different type of characters will have different abilities. Let's say that you want to have you want to make an island where you have to kill monsters or whatever. Then you can select the character type that has, I don't know, a sword or whatever weapon. You can create. Let's say that you want to create. Hmm, ooh, that's a tough one. Let's say that you want to create a racing game, even a racing game. You want to make a racing game, you should be able to. We implemented so many cars. You should be able to use it. You know. It's exactly how Roblox is kind of set up. Where are we improving on that portion? First of all, our coding language is going to be even easier than they have already programmed. We have a bigger poly count and still staying efficient. We will have smaller maps, but that doesn't matter at all. It doesn't say a thing. Because check this out. Let me add networking to. Wait a minute. Okay. Good. I did it wrong. So let me save this scene because I'm probably going to keep it. Islands, generator, screen, scene. I mean, let's say you want to make a survival game. Let's say you want to make money on a survival game. So let's say that your game will have different levels, different weapons, and different weapons with different values. You want to make you want to have monsters on your island, and if you kill the monster, there's a chance that you make profit. There's a chance that you break even or lose a bit of money. And you create a system like that, then you should be able to. You should exactly be able to do that, and people can buy weapons from you, and the weapon is alive for a certain amount of time. You will have monsters of different levels, and so on and so on. And even that, if you want to make a if you want to make, let's say, a continuing island, you should be able to do so. So you can save someone's progress and continue on the other islands. So you can create a whole series for yourself. What is massive? Let's say that your first island is such a massive success, but people already have seen the whole island and they're done looking over the island. Spawn points are set up. Done. Auto shared on client ports. Let's put a port to 511. And this default room name will be the room name of your game. My game room name. What do we call this scene? Island generator scene? Yes. Good. Find spawn points. Rebuild template. Alright. So, where are our spawn points? Under the ground. Not what we want. I don't mind to keep the spawning floor there. It's just for a test to show off how it works. I would actually need to the A build scene section. Because we need that camera over there. Pre-look camera. Then we go back to island generator. Yep. Paste and delete. We should be disabling this button because we're going to look how big is actually 500 by 500. It should not be small. Our character spawned in? Yes. Are you not following the character? Ah. Clear. Tree sort. Alright, here we go. Our character loaded in. We have no more error messages. So just to show how big this island is, I'm going to put this here. I just want to wait here until the next minute on the clock starts. We start running to the other side. There we go. So we are running at a really good, decent speed now. This will not make you lose time, by the way. Oh, can we go through this gap? No problem. Alright. Alright, I think we are on our way for like 100 seconds, something like that. So we can increase the map size. We can easily increase the map size. We can make different tiers for the map. So we start off with a massive empty island. And this is where you can use your creativity to build whatever you want. Of course, stuff like this should be beach. Here should be grass. Let's say you want to make a different style of island. You should be able to. How deep is that going then? Because that should be just above the water level. Oh no. Good. So here's a small example of what you can do. Let's say that we want to build a small script. Now we are going to look for the public island generator. And I'll call it IG. And then if input.get key down. Let's do question mark. It's pretty hard to hit that. Then IG dots. Use random seed. It's true. And then IG dot generate seed or something. Should be able to do that. Alright. We can get this out. Ah. Small mistakes happen all the time. Although, generate map. Is there a way to generate the map? Because I don't even know what this original seed was. Is it this? Random dot range. What is this? Is this a float? It's a string? Ah, that's why. Dot to string. IG dot generate. Start generation. Ah, okay. There we go. Do we need any special parameters for that? No, we don't. It's been such a long time since I used this tool. Okay, here we go. Nothing. Maybe it's the wrong button. Or let's just use the... Let's use the random seed method, I think. Use random seed is true. And then key code dot. Okay. I don't use K anyway. Alright, let's press K. There we go. Nice. Oh, that's not good. No, that's not good. Can we do calculate shores? Yes. And then after calculating shores, we should... What did we do before? Calculate shores, then add shores. Okay. And make sure the IG shore steepness shore calculate shores. Alright. IG dot add shores. Shores. Smooth shores. Sure. Let's hit K. Does it smooth the shores? No. Definitely not. So we currently have a system where you can generate a new map. Generates an island for you. Why does it do that? Maybe we could fix it in terminal. No, the terminal, of course. Calculate chores. Add. That is what I have to do. That is what it has to do. Oh, you see here it does add smoothing now. Why? Why? Alright, so this was a little preview on the terrain editing that is coming to the metaverse. What is going to be massive. So we'll do some more videos, we will do some more streams on this. So guys, thanks for joining in. Have a great day. And I'll see you on the stream tomorrow. Bye-bye.